This is exactly how I myself was able to fix Facebook recent searches not showing or displaying wrong info. So what we need to do firstly is to just close our Facebook app and instead go to the settings app on our phone here, as you can see. And now on your settings app, just scroll down and click on general and then click on storage right here. And then just simply wait for this one right here now to load. You can see that it's actually loading right here, which is a really good sign. It's gonna load all of the apps that you currently have on your phone. So if you have a lot, this might take a while, just so you know. But now when it's done, just click on the search bar down below here, as you can see, search for Facebook and click on the Facebook app. Now click on Offload App and once again in here, click on Offload App. Just wait a couple of seconds now for it to load, so we're just gonna wait for it a couple of seconds until we can see another button that's gonna say, you can see Reinstall App. So just click on it and then just wait for this one to completely load now. So this process can also take a little while sometimes, but you can see the progress here. So once it's done, by the way, don't worry that it's gonna log you out of your account. It didn't do so for me, just so you know. So it's just gonna update your app for the latest version. So once it's done, just go back and try once again, and hopefully now it's gonna work for you as well.